Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into an exciting topic, how you can make $300 per day using Google and some amazing free tools. Now, I know what you're thinking. $300 a day? From Google? For free? Look, I get it. It sounds too good to be true. But the truth is, there are so many ways to generate income online, and Google, with its suite of free tools, can be your secret weapon. We're talking about building real, sustainable income streams, not some get-rich-quick scheme. This is about leveraging your skills, creativity, and a little bit of hustle. So buckle up, because I'm about to break down exactly how you can start making serious cash online, all using the power of Google and some incredibly powerful free tools. Let's get started. Okay, first things first. Let's address the elephant in the room. Making money online. Is it real? Absolutely. Is it easy? Not necessarily. But here's the thing. It's more attainable than you might think, especially with the abundance of free resources available at your fingertips. We're talking about a world of possibilities here, guys. From freelance writing and graphic design to affiliate marketing and online courses, the internet has created a landscape where skills can be monetized from anywhere in the world. And the best part? You don't need a fancy degree or a ton of capital to get started. All you need is a willingness to learn, a bit of creativity, and the right tools. Now, before we dive into the specifics, let's talk about goal setting. Because let's be real, just saying I want to make $300 a day isn't going to cut it. We need a plan, a roadmap to success. Start by breaking down that $300. If you're freelancing, how much do you need to charge per hour or per project? If it's affiliate marketing, how many sales do you need to make? Once you have those numbers, it's all about setting realistic milestones. Instead of aiming for $300 on day one, maybe it's $50 a week for the first month, then scale up from there. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Chapter 4. Google Keyword Planner, your secret weapon for free keyword research. So you've got your niche, now it's time to get laser focused. Google Keyword Planner is your new best friend. This free tool lets you dive deep into specific keywords related to your niche, showing you search volume, competition, and even suggesting related keywords you might have never thought of. Think of it like this. You're opening a coffee shop. You wouldn't just put up a sign that says coffee and hope for the best, right? You'd want to target specific keywords like best latte art, cold brew delivery, or dog-friendly coffee shops to attract the right customers. Keyword Planner helps you do just that, for free. Chapter 5. Canva, your free design studio for killer content. Content is king. Whether you're creating YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, or even blog graphics, high-quality visuals are non-negotiable. But don't worry, you don't need to be a Photoshop pro. Canva is a game changer, a free user-friendly design platform with tons of templates, fonts, and stock photos to make your content pop. Seriously, it's drag and drop easy. Choose a template, customize it with your brand colors and fonts, add some eye-catching images, and boom! You've got professional-looking graphics that will make your content stand out from the crowd. Remember, first impressions matter, and Canva helps you put your best foot forward. Chapter 6. SEO, your long-term game for free traffic. Yoast SEO to the rescue. SEO, or search engine optimization, sounds intimidating, right? It's like this secret code that makes your website rank higher on Google, attracting more organic traffic. But here's the good news. You don't need to be a tech whiz to master the basics. Enter Yoast SEO, a free plugin, if you're using WordPress, that walks you through optimizing your content for search engines. From keyword density to readability analysis, Yoast SEO gives you actionable tips to make your content more Google-friendly. Remember, SEO is a marathon, not a sprint, but with consistent effort and the right tools like Yoast, you'll be amazed at the long-term traffic and income potential. Chapter 7. Consistency is key tracking your progress. Listen, I'm not gonna lie. Building an online income takes work. It's not about overnight success. It's about showing up consistently day after day, even when it feels tough. That's why it's crucial to track your progress. Set up a simple spreadsheet to monitor your earnings, website traffic, social media engagement, whatever metrics matter most to you. Seeing that upward trend, even if it's gradual, will keep you motivated and remind you that you're making progress towards that $300 a day goal. Trust me, the feeling of seeing your hard work pay off is unlike anything else. That's it for today's video. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Remember, Google and these incredible free tools are just the tip of the iceberg. The real magic happens when you combine these resources with your own unique skills, passion, and hustle. Don't be afraid to experiment, to learn, and to adapt along the way. The online world is constantly evolving, and so are the opportunities to create a successful and fulfilling income stream. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's a topic you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.